What does it mean for employers? For employers, the most important benefit of auto-enrolment is that the bulk of the administration will fall to the new body, the National Automatic Enrolment Retirement Savings Authority. This means that there will be less work for employers to do, especially when compared with running their own occupational scheme. This will mostly be achieved by using the payroll software that employers already have, and we'll be working very closely to help payroll software providers to ensure that the technology will be there to do this. Employers who don't use payroll software will be accommodated through an employer hub online, where they'll be able to make contributions and check their record. You won't have to worry about who should or shouldn't be in the scheme, as the authority will take care of this. Employers will have some responsibilities, however. Automatic enrolment will be set out in legislation, and therefore it will be an employment right. There will be a number of protections, including fines and penalties, for employers who prevent their employees from joining or who force them to opt out or suspend contributions. Any withheld or underpaid contributions will attract interest payments. So it's important that you as employers make yourselves aware of your obligations and responsibilities towards your employees. There are also benefits for employers. Employers won't have to set up or administer a company pension scheme to ensure that their employees are looked after in retirement. This makes them both competitive and attractive. It's also important to note that employer contributions will be deductible for corporation tax purposes. For more information, you can visit our website, gov.ie/auto-enrolment. Here you'll find the latest up-to-date information, further information for employees and employers, and a list of our most frequently asked questions.